Can I have a glass of wine? Can I have a glass of wine? Can I have a map of Bangkok? Can I have a map of Bangkok?
Can I have a paper bag? Can I have a paper bag? Can I have a blanket? Can I have a blanket?
Can I have a plastic bag? Can I have a plastic bag?
Can I have a rest? Can I have a rest?
Can I have a screwdriver? Can I have a screwdriver?
สำหรับคลิปนี้ถ้าท่านเห็นว่ามีประโยชน์กรุณากดติดตามกดกระดิ่งกดคำว่าทั้งหมดขอบคุณมากครับ
Can I have a spoon? Can I have a spoon? Can I have a table outside? Can I have a table outside?
Can I have another can of beer? Can I have another can of beer? Can I have another glass of beer? Can I have another glass of beer?
Can I have more? Can I have more? Can I have more milk? Can I have more milk? Can I have more tea? Can I have more tea?
Can I have one more beer? Can I have one more beer? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
Can I have something to drink? Can I have something to drink? Can I have something to eat? Can I have something to eat?
Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have this orange? Can I have this orange?
Can I have your name? Can I have your name? Can I help you? Can I help you?
Can I interrupt you? Can I interrupt you? Can I join you? Can I join you?
Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message?